Welcome to history class. Our next topic is corridor warfare. Corridor means a long narrow passage in a building, and that is why this name is given. This incident took place on 8th December 1930 and the place was Writers Building. Writers Building is in Kolkata. A writer means junior clerk. Colonel N.S. Simpson, who was a IG of police in prison, he was infamous for inflicting the worst of atrocities to his inmates in jail. He used to torture the Indian prisoners. That is why BBD, very famous name, all of you are familiar with this name, BBD, Binay Basu Badal Gupta and Dinesh Gupta. They are also known as trios. All they belongs to Bengal Volunteers, Sacred Revolutionary Societies, dressed in European attire. All these three, we can say trios, Binay Basu, Badal Gupta and Dinesh Gupta, they entered into the Writers Building, and there they murdered to Mr. Simpson, who was an IG of prison. Not only this, very brutally they killed to Mr. Simpson. Their main aim was to show the Britishers the terror of this attack. BBD decided not only to murder Mr. Simpson but also strike terror on the British officials, and ultimately they shot at Simpson. 7 times they fired with 3 bullets in the head of the Simpson. This particular incident is known as corridor warfare. When such incident it were going on, nearby police stations and some superintendent, they locked down total Writers Building. They were not having any chance to escape, and they also thought not to be arrested, and thus Binay Basu committed suicide by taking potassium cyanide, and Badal Gupta and Dinesh Gupta, they shot themselves with their own revolver. Thus this tragic incident it ended, and thus we saw how bravely these trio fought with the Britishers At last, we can add that this incident brought national consciousness among the common people of India, and they moved for a bigger movement against the British rule for getting complete independence. Thank you for watching.